Hey there, thanks for joining me today. If you're a parent or planning to become one, today's topic could have a major impact on your family's finances, the child tax credit. Now, this is more than just a line on your tax return. It's real money that could help with essentials like childcare, school supplies, or even give you the financial cushion you need for unexpected expenses. And here's something you might not know. Without action from Congress, the current child tax credit is set to drop from its expanded amount to just $1,000 per child by the end of this year. That's a big shift, but there's new legislation in the works that could turn things around in a big way. You see, right now, there's a proposal called the Family First Act, which would significantly increase the child tax credit. For families with young children under 6, the credit would jump to $4,200 per child. For kids aged 6 to 17, it would rise to $3,000. That's a huge difference, and it doesn't stop there. The proposal also introduces a $2,800 tax credit for pregnant mothers, recognizing the financial strain that often begins well before a baby is born. So, how does this all work? If your family earns at least $20,000 a year, you'd qualify for the full amount of the credit. For pregnant mothers, the threshold is $10,000. If you earn less than that, you'd still get a portion of the credit, so it's designed to help a wide range of families, not just those at the higher end of the income scale. And here's another important detail. You can claim the credit for up to 6 children annually. That means for larger families, the financial support can really add up. Now, you might be wondering, how will this affect people earning higher incomes? Well, the credits begin to phase out once a single filer earns more than $200,000 or a joint filer earns more than $400,000. This ensures the program is targeted at families who need the support the most, while still providing meaningful relief to many middle-income households. And it's not just about increasing the amount of the credit. This proposal also simplifies some of the existing tax rules, like the Earned Income Tax Credit, and it reduces certain penalties that have made the tax code tricky for families. For example, it aims to address marriage penalties that can unintentionally punish dual-earner families. Simplifying these policies could make filing taxes less of a headache while ensuring more families get the help they need. And why is this so important right now? Well, for many families, the expanded child tax credit over the last few years has been a lifeline. It's helped reduce poverty and given parents the breathing room they need to provide for their kids. But with costs rising across the board, from groceries to childcare, letting this credit shrink back to its old amount could leave families struggling to make ends meet. The Family First Act is designed to not only keep that support in place, but expand it in a way that acknowledges the challenges parents face today. And there's more. By including pregnant mothers, this proposal takes a broader view of what family support looks like. Preparing for a baby isn't cheap, and providing extra financial assistance during pregnancy can make a huge difference, especially for families already balancing tight budgets. It's a recognition that supporting families starts before birth, not just after. So, what does this mean for you? If this legislation passes, it could mean thousands of extra dollars each year for your family. That's money you can use to pay for childcare, save for your kids' future, or just ease the financial pressure so many of us feel. And even if you don't have kids yourself, this kind of support can strengthen communities by helping parents provide a stable environment for their children to grow and thrive. So now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think these changes would make a difference for your family? Are there other ways you'd like to see the tax code support parents? Let me know in the comments, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. Understanding changes like this is one of the best ways to make informed financial decisions for your family. And we will be here to keep you updated. Take care, and I'll see you next time.